President Aquino wants solutions and not just criticisms on his administration from Vice President Jejomar Binay. The president stressed that it is Binay's obligation to give advice as a member of the cabinet, but he added that the vice president, whom he continues to trust, is free to leave the cabinet if he thinks the administration is on the wrong path. More from Elena Luna.
President Aquino reminded Vice President Jejomar Binay he is free to leave his cabinet post if he no longer agrees with the policies taken by the official family. The chief executive expressed this reminder following news reports that Binay had been critical of the Aquino administration.
Number one, kung palagay niya meron kaming kulang na ginagawa, membro siya ng kabinete, di abisuhan niyo kami, hindi mo mag-advise. Paano nating improve yung sistema? At hindi choice yun. Obligasyon niya, membro siya ng kabinete. Kung palagay naman yung mali ang direksyon namin, siyempre malaya rin siyang hindi na sumama sa aming mga kilusan. Kung may solution siya, parang hindi ko yata narinig sa mga pagpupulong ng kabinete itong mga solutions na to. So kung may solution siya, bakit? Sana sinare niya. Siyempre tanong, bakit hindi niya sinishare?
President Aquino points out his administration is espousing freedom. The Vice President has a right to express himself and act accordingly. But he also reminded Binay that he is the second highest leader of the land who has an obligation to present solutions to the government's problems.
Kung meron kang palagay na pagkukulang ng gobyerno, membro ka ng gobyerno, pangalawa kang pinakamataas na opisyal ng bansa, may obligasyon ka ibahagi yung kaalaman mo para magkaroon ng mas hustong solusyon. Kung palagay mo meron ka mas maalok.
In the same media interview in Laguna, President Aquino defended the members of his official family. He maintained Binay has a right to be presumed innocent on the controversies thrown against him, even if Akbayan Representative Walden Bello is calling for the resignation of the Vice President. Bello also called on the President to fire not just Binay but also Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala, DAR Secretary Virgilio de los Reyes, PNP Chief Alan Purisima, and Budget Secretary Florencio Abad. Bello claims doing this will restore the credibility of the President's reform program.
Pinagpipilitan ko sa lahat ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, ang basihan, ano ba ang pangangailangan ng taong bayan na dapat tugunan. Siguro mungkahi ko na lang sa kanya, kung palagay niya yung pananaw lang niya ang tama, 2016 may eleksyon ng presidente, bago gusto niya lumaban doon, at pag siya na presidente, mapapatakbo niya ayon sa vision niya. Sa ngayon, palagay ko ang ginagawa ko ang dapat gawin at ang tamang gawin.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.